Want to customize your Spectrum Wi-Fi or troubleshoot connection issues? It all starts with accessing your router's admin panel. First, ensure your device, computer or phone, is connected to your Spectrum router's Wi-Fi network or directly via an Ethernet cable. Then, open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. This is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. You can often find it on a sticker on the router itself or within the Spectrum app. Once you've entered the IP address, you'll be prompted to log in. The default username is typically admin, and the default password is either password or admin. Spectrum strongly recommends changing this default password immediately to prevent unauthorized access to your network. This will also safeguard against malicious websites and phishing attempts. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface where you can adjust various settings. The most common adjustments involve your Wi-Fi network. You can change the network name, SSID, set a new strong password, WPA3 is recommended for better security, and even adjust the Wi-Fi channel to minimize interference from nearby networks. If you're experiencing slow speeds, try switching to a different channel. You can also set up a guest network for visitors, giving them internet access without sharing your main network password. For advanced users, the Network Configuration section allows you to adjust IP address ranges, enable DHCP, or configure port forwarding for specific applications like gaming or remote access to devices on your network. Finally, explore the security controls to activate firewalls, use MAC address filtering to restrict which devices can connect, and set up parental controls to manage internet access times and content for children.